It is.
Well, they're trying to get Are they alive?
They are alive. Oh my goodness.
I know, Where's the monkey? That's the monkey. That one's colorful.
It is colorful.
Mom, I want to see the monkey.
Look at all the turtles.
Look, it's fishes. All the turtles. They're so cute. Mommy, let's go see the monkey.
Okay, let's go see the monkeys, you monkeys.
This way.
I think it's an orangutan. There's more.
A lemur. It's like King Julian. Where is he? He's like King Julian. Oh, there he is. Hey. Hey, guys. So do not touch the feet.
Hi. Hi.
Good with the
Hi. You got to move it, move it.
They're so cute.
You got to move it, move it.
Hi, bud. How you doing?
Mom, I want to go see the monkey.
Here they are, right here.
Now I want to go in there.
Oh, you can't go in.
I want to go in there.
Okay, we will in a minute. Look right there. Look.
I want to go pet him.
You do. Well, don't let him bite you. Stay away from his mouth.
And then there's one down there. Oh, look. There he is.
How slow can you go? How slow can you go?
Let's go into the turtle.
Oh, my gosh. They're like in here with us.
Whoa, look at that. That's a big turtle. I want to pet it. That is so Stay away
cool.
from its face.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't get close to his mouth,
Here's
Trevor.
the back.
Hey.
Does he bite?
Well, he
Well,
has
if you get to
teeth.
his face, but if you want to touch his back like they are,
I'm good.
you don't want to?
Well, he just sat down. Maybe he wants you to rub his back.
You want to rub his back?
Yeah,
Okay.
I let Mom help me.
You can do it. You don't need any help. I'll take a picture. Go over there and rub him.
You don't need help. It's fine. Come on, guys.
There you go. Show her.
Come on. Let's go over here. Come on, guys.
Yay.
Hey. Come on, man.
Here, smile, man. Don't look.
Hey,
How his head moves. Kind of like a snake.
I got to pet a turtle.
Yeah.
What's in here? More turtles?
Turtles and ducks.
Amanda, come on, step over.
Fish.
Want to go in or not?
Yeah.
There's birds over there in that
Are we
cage.
allowed to go in?
Yeah. Be careful. Don't get close to their face. Don't get close to their face. They have teeth.
I want to tell him.
Oh, they're all
The duck?
at us. I think they think we have food.
Sissy, do not fall in.
I will. And now he's staying away.
Hey. Hey, you love birds.
Yeah, it said you could buy treats for them, but we didn't.
Trevor.
I want to.
Trevor,
What?
please don't fall in.
Why can't we?
Because it's murky water. It might be.
Well, I can swim in deep ends.
You can. There's a turtle crossing the bridge. I want to see the birds. The birds are my favorite.
Whoa! Look at that! Big turtle!
Oh my goodness. Whoa, Melly.
Come and look at this! Hello!
Hi, baby. Hey, pretty bird.
Oh my God! Hello! Look over there! I don't want to.
You're going to be fine.
Beautiful.
Don't climb on it, Trevor. Get in.
Hi, ostrich. Hi. Let's go over
Don't climb on the fence. The pecker might come in here.
Hi,
Grandpa Kelly. He's 108 years old. Wow.
He weighs about 550 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
His head's coming out. Look at him, Amanda.
Can I take a picture?
I did. I took one.
Grandpa Turtle. Do 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 do.
Yeah.
And he's called Alvira.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the peacock, Lisa. Right there.
Here he is. Here, Pee Pee Pee. And the pigs. Hey, Pee Pee. Hey, Pig Pig. Hey, Pig. Hey, Pee Pee Pee. Hey, Pig Pig Pig. You see the peacock?
Yeah, I want to pet it.
How do you call it?
Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Is that the pigs?
Yeah.
How's the pig go?
I want to see a peacock.
How's the pig go?
Aw, he's cute. What are y'all looking at?
We're looking at all the other animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Watch
Yeah.
out, Lisa.
I almost fell over a turtle. Oh, Lord.
She almost lost her toe.
Almost fell over a turtle butt.
Parrot.
He's talking to you. Say hello.
Hi, parrot.
Trevor, don't put your hands in there.
Hi, parrot.
Say hi, pretty bird.
Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird.
Can
Hi, pretty bird.
y'all whistle at him.
Wait,
Whistle at him. Whistle while you work.
They're coming at us.
Aren't you monkeys?
Oh my God!
What is it, Trevor?
A turtle.
What?
I need help.
Okay, hang on, I'm coming.